What's up, guys? Feed you information here. So, this is going to be installment number 6 of the series Stock Market News Updates. This is Sunday, September 29th, 2019 update. And we have Momo, 2U, Zendesk, HubSpot, and Skyworks Solutions. Now, before I even click on the Momo article, I'm just going to inform you. If you don't know what Momo is, we're going to be using the bio from Robinhood. So they have their headquarters is in Beijing. They were founded in 2011. They have 2,147 employees, and Momo Inc. operates as a mobile-based social networking platform. The platform includes Momo mobile applications and retail features for functionalities, tools, and services that are provided to users, customers, and platform partners. Its offerings include live video, value added, and mobile game services. The company was founded by Yan Tang, and yeah, so let's get into this. Momo is the first stock, and we have a spotlight on Momo Inc.'s fundamentals. So this is going to be more about just like kind of the stock fundamentals and whether it's a good investment or not. It's not going to be like that for all of them. We are going to go back into more like news article and updates. But just for this one, we're going to go ahead and check out what this guy has to say. So I've been keeping an eye on Momo Inc. because I'm attracted to its fundamentals. Looking at the company as a whole as a potential stock investment, I believe Momo has a lot to offer. Basically, it is a company with impressive financial health as well as a buoyant growth outlook. Below is a brief commentary on these key aspects. For those interested in understanding, you can click on the link to get more of a in-depth. We are going to click on that and scroll through it just to check it out. But first, let's cover his what's the word? I guess his brief description of everything. Investors in search for stocks with room to flourish should look no further than Momo, with its expected earnings growth of 25%, which is expected to flow into an impressive return on equity of 22% over the next couple of years. Momo's strong financial health means that all of its upcoming liability payments are able to be met by its current cash and short-term investment holdings. This implies that Momo manages its cash and cost levels well, which is an important determinant of the company's health. Momo appears to have made good use of debt-producing operating cash levels of 0.84 times total debt in the prior year. This is a strong indication that debt is reasonably met with cash generated. So just to click on this, you can actually sign up for Simply Wall Street for absolutely free. It had me do that when I was just checking this out. So it's pretty cool. And if you look, he has about 8 to probably more than 8 different categories here. But first is an executive summary. So Momo operates a mobile-based social and entertainment platform in the People's Republic of China. It's a high growth potential and good value. Breaks it down here where he has checks and X's based on the analysis. Then you have share price and news. There it goes again. It's like log in. Continue with Facebook. All right. Should leave me alone now. So there you go, though. Latest share price and events. It's comparing. You have your market performance. Going further down, it's going to go to valuation now. There it is, valuation. Discount to future cash flow value. So it's saying is a 45% undervalued. The current price is 31 at fair value. It expects it to be at $57. And as I said, there's more categories, but feel free to go ahead and check out this article. The name of it, as we just mentioned, is A Spotlight on Momo Inc.'s Fundamentals. So anyways, moving on because we don't want to stray on one article for too long. Next up, we do have 2U. This article came out 18 days ago. And this one is more about education and online platforms. So if you don't know what an OPM is, it's online program management, and it has relationships have shifted and expanded beyond the traditional model over the past few years. And it does seem to be with higher education institutions as well. Um, Anyways, A global leader in education technology, today announced an unprecedented new framework for transparency in the online program management industry. The framework will offer students, universities, and policymakers data on outcomes, quality, institutional independence, and more for the degree and non-degree offerings 2U powers. With the release of its framework, 2U becomes the first OPM to openly call for and embrace greater transparency. So, just as a quick cover up, too, just because I want you guys to make sure you know what company we're on and what they do. So, 2U engages in the provision of cloud based software as a service solutions for nonprofit colleges and universities to deliver education to qualified students. It operates through the graduate program and short course segments. The graduate program segment target students seeking a full graduate degree of the same quality receives on campus. I don't like how they worded on Robinhood there, but anyways, the short course segment caters to working professionals looking for career advancements throughout skills attainment. It offers 2Us, which consists of an ecosystem of technology, people, and data. The company was founded by Christopher J. Paucek, however you pronounce that, in April 2008 and is headquartered in Lanham, MD. I'm not sure what MD is. I should know what MD stands for, but I think that's a state. It's probably a state. Anyways, getting back to this article though, our shared success partnership model with universities fosters innovation and expands access to higher quality post secondary education for students. 2U co founder and CEO Christopher Chip, that guy, as we just mentioned, providing greater transparency around our partnerships is the right thing to do and will foster a more constructive dialogue about the value of OPMs. 2U recognizes and understands that with leadership comes responsibility, and we believe this new framework is an example of responsibility in action. We call upon other OPMs across the industry to join us. So here we go. The framework is grounded in 6 core pillars: university oversight, accountability, marketplace openness, access, affordability, quality, and outcomes. Again, feel free to check this article out, guys. It's 2U Inc. announces industry-leading framework for transparency. Now, moving on to this next article. Sorry, I'm kind of going back and forth because I'm trying to read the bios every time on Robinhood. So next up, we have Zendesk introduces WhatsApp for Zendesk in Asia. So Zendesk engages in the provision of customer service platform, which enables companies to provide customer support. Its products and services include support guide, chat, talk, message, inbox, team, email, so on and so forth. It's a bunch of stuff like that, guys. And I keep having this thing spam in my face, by the way, so I'm going to try to read a bit quicker. I'm not going to go all the way into the bio for Robinhood. We'll just start reading. So Zendesk announced WhatsApp for Zendesk is now available across Asia Pacific. The new WhatsApp Business API connector, which was first announced at the company's showcase in Sao Paulo last month, will allow businesses to quickly and easily reach and respond to their customers using WhatsApp across the region. Zendesk offers the only trusted messaging solution that pulls in all customer conversations into a cohesive interface across web, mobile, and messaging. WhatsApp for Zendesk enables companies around the world to provide a better customer experience in a preferred channel. WhatsApp for Zendesk is built on technology from Zendesk's recent acquisition of Smooch. That's a funny name. And marks an important step in delivering the next wave of connected conversations on additional channels, such as Facebook Messenger, Line, WeChat, Telegram, Twitter, DM, and more. More than 1.5 billion people in over 180 countries use WhatsApp, which, if you know your Facebook analysis well, then you already knew that, making it one of the most popular messaging apps in the world. And as customers increasingly expect to communicate with businesses in the same way they do with friends and family, the best experiences will be driven by creating seamless, continuous conversations across multiple communication channels. So, with WhatsApp for Zendesk, businesses can get up and running on WhatsApp in less time without new workflows or agent training required, engage with customers over WhatsApp, and manage messaging conversations in the same way as other support conversations in any other channel. Take advantage of new WhatsApp features for agents to better manage real-time conversations, such as customizable auto responder specifically for WhatsApp. Stay on top of asynchronous WhatsApp conversations with a new dedicated notification panel to alert agents to recent responses on WhatsApp. So, anyways, let's move on to the next article. We have article number 4 now, and it is HubSpot. So, real quick, let's get on Robinhood. If you don't know what HubSpot is, by the way, HubSpot was partnering with AWS, Amazon Web Services, about a year ago. I'm not sure if they still are, but I would assume that they are because HubSpot is really good. So HubSpot, they have 2,638 employees, founded 2005. Brian Patrick, one second. Brian Halligan is the name of the CEO. And HubSpot provides cloud-based marketing and sales software platform that enables businesses to deliver an inbound experience. It operates through the following geographical segments: Americas, Europe, and Asia Pacific. And it was founded April 4th, 2005, headquartered in Cambridge, Massachusetts, so one of the big colleges. Now, let's go ahead and get into this. A leading growth platform announced today the launch of a new app marketplace that features hundreds of third-party tools that HubSpot users can integrate with the accounts. Businesses can discover new integrations and connect tools, teams, processes, and data with a single connected system. We are dedicated for delivering an open platform that makes it easy for our customers to seamlessly integrate the apps they want with our software, said Scott Brinker, VP of Platform Ecosystem at HubSpot. The redesigned app marketplace streamlines the process of finding and connecting the right app for the right job. It also makes it easier for developers to build and list new integrations. This is a meaningful step forward in our mission to make HubSpot an all-in-one platform for growing businesses. By the way, it's going to come up at the bottom, but a CRM is customer relationship management, which is something that like all companies use. It allows them to be able to better analyze you psychologically based on data and everything so they can sell products to you better. According to Blissfully 2019 SaaS Trends Report, the average 200 to 501 person company uses more than 100 apps, and that number isn't likely to decrease anytime soon. More than 500,000 apps have been installed across HubSpot's user base alone. As businesses deploy more and more apps to solve various business challenges, it becomes increasingly important for SaaS companies to make it easier for those apps to work together and to create a platform where data is centralized in one place. That's why HubSpot announced in 2018 its focus on building a centralized platform to help businesses create great customer experiences regardless of which tools they use. Now, a quote: deep integrations between complementary products like Zoom and HubSpot make the experience so much better for our mutual customers, said Laura Padilla, head of business development and channels for Zoom. We're excited to see the progress HubSpot has made in expanding their platform. This redesigned app marketplace will make it even easier for customers to quickly learn how Zoom and HubSpot work better together. Key features of the redesign include more information integration decisions, easier discovery of relevant apps for HubSpot users, and decrease friction and improved discoverability for app developers. So, here's the name of the article if you choose to check it out. Moving on. Skyworks powers first all-in-one virtual reality gaming system. And again, we have Facebook here with now Oculus. And to explain what Skyworks is, to go to the bottom, they have 9,400 employees. They were founded in 1962 by Liam K. Griffin, or I don't know if it was exactly founded, but he's the CEO, sorry. But Skyworks Solutions engages in the design, development, and manufacture of proprietary semiconductor products. Its product portfolio includes amplifiers, actuators, circulators, these words are kind of crazy, but detectors, directional front-end models, hybrids, isolators, lighting, and display solutions, ceramics, receivers, switches. Basically, Skyworks, guys, is in everything, including words I don't know how to pronounce. But anyways, Skyworks Solutions. Okay, let's go past that. Oculus has become a pioneer in VR gaming with its next generation headset, which features a camera based positional tracking system and does not require a wired connection to a PC or phone to operate. By leveraging Skyworks' innovative capabilities, the device delivers real time wireless connectivity and offers users untethered 6 degrees of freedom or the ability to move in any direction and walk through virtual space such as they would in the physical world. Let me reread that one more time for you guys. By leveraging Skyworks' innovative capabilities, the device delivers real time wireless connectivity and offers users untethered 6 degrees of freedom, or in layman's terms, the ability to move in any direction and walk through virtual space just as they would in the physical world. Skyworks is proud to be at the forefront of wireless technologies, partnering with industry leaders to bring breakthrough applications to market, said Carlos Bori, Senior Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Skyworks. With our advanced technology portfolio and deep systems expertise, we are powering an increasingly diverse array of emerging high growth segments across the Internet of Things or IoT ecosystem, redefining user experience and changing the way the world communicates. According to March 2019 research report from I Don't Care, okay, I swear, guys, IDC, doesn't that sound like I Don't Care? It's probably something else, though. Worldwide shipments of augmented and virtual reality headsets are forecast to reach 8.9 million units in 2019, up 54% from the prior year. Fueled in large part by new devices like the Oculus Quest, units are expected to reach nearly 69 million by 2023, representing a 5 year compounded annual growth rate of 67%. Insane numbers, guys. So, about Skyworks wireless connectivity solutions, you can check that out right there. Here's the About Skyworks. You can feel free to pause it and read it if you want. They are listed on the S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100. And if you watch Financial Education, he mentions Skyworks Solutions quite often. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Those were all 5 companies/articles. What do you guys think? I really appreciate all of the views as always. And thank you so much for watching. Feed You Information, out.